In this video, I'm going to share to you on how we can save a document in Word 97 2003 format. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. Let me just quickly open a document from here. So in your case, you just need to open your Microsoft Word document. Now on how we can save this into Word 97 2003 format. By the way, what does it mean? This means that it was the default format for documents in Microsoft Word from Word 1997, released in 1997. That's why it's Word 97 because it was released in 1997 through Microsoft Office 2003. So the format is Word 97 2003, okay? So you just need to click on the File tab at the top, and here you'll find the option Save As. Now browse for the location of your document. Now I'm just going to save it in the desktop. Okay. And you have here for the file name. Let me just quickly change this to story. And then you have here save as type. Okay. You have here save as type. Click on this drop down arrow. And here you'll find the Word 97 2003 document format. So click on that. And then we just need to simply click on OK or save button. And now let's look in the desktop. And this is how it looks like. So as you can see, this is the Microsoft Word, which is 2021, the version of my Microsoft Office 2021. And this is the format, which is Microsoft Word 97 2003 format. Okay, so that's the difference. As you can see, for the icons, it's different. Now double click on it, and that's it. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.